My Lead, Learn, Grow conversation cards inspire learning and growth in everyday conversations. There are 3 types of cards in the deck: learning mindset and team culture cards, which are both question cards to inspire conversation, and action cards, which is what I want to focus on today. And the action cards inspire a change in behavior. Specifically, I want to look at this card. New route. Take a different route to or from work. Make note of what you observe that's different. At its core, this action card is really about curiosity, and curiosity is at the root of learning and innovation and creativity. When we break out of our established routines and patterns and habits, we can observe different things and we have a different sense of awareness about what things might be different, and then it can pique our curiosity. I remember doing a version of this activity years ago. Instead of going on my power walk, I decided to go on a walk and take a much more gradual and slow approach. And I remember being amazed at all the different things that I was noticing that otherwise I would have probably just walked past and not even observed. So when we switch up our routine and create a different pattern, we notice different things and we can be curious about different things, which of course is what leads to learning. Remember, as a leader, when your people aren't growing, they're going. So is this a card that you might want to encourage your team members to embark upon so that you can encourage curiosity and learning and innovation in your team?